Imagine someone telling you that inside your mind, right now, live dozens of different people. One is a hero, another a hermit. One is a child who laughs freely, another is a monster hiding in the dark, and a third speaks only in strange symbolic dreams you can't quite explain. Carl Gustav Jung wasn't just a psychologist, he was an explorer. He descended into the psyche with the courage of an astronaut venturing into deep space, attempting to map the human soul as if it were a vast, unknown continent. He was a Swiss psychiatrist who started his career as a brilliant student of Sigmund Freud. For a while, they were like father and son, poised to revolutionize how we understand the mind. But their paths diverged dramatically. Freud saw human nature as a battleground of repressed sexual instincts. For him, almost everything came back to that primal drive. But Jung looked at humanity and saw something more. He said, wait a minute, we are more than just our instincts. Inside every person live ancient myths, powerful symbols, and the echoes of forgotten gods. This wasn't just a disagreement, it was a rebellion.
It led him to break away and found his own school of thought, analytical psychology. And in Freud's intellectual circle, it made him the ultimate black sheep. Jung's core belief was that we don't truly know ourselves. He proposed that inside every one of us lives a shadow, the collection of everything we refuse to see about ourselves. It's our jealousy, our hidden anger, our secret weaknesses, all the impulses we bury deep behind the polite mask of being a normal, functioning person. Think of the boss who yells at his employees not because they're incompetent, but because he secretly despises his own feelings of powerlessness. That's the shadow at work. But Jung's most crucial insight was this: you cannot destroy your shadow. You don't defeat it. The only way to become whole is to turn around, face it, and understand what it's trying to tell you. But he went even deeper. Jung spoke of a collective unconscious, a psychic layer that we all share, inherited from our earliest human ancestors. It's like a universal mental software we are all born with. And in this shared realm live the archetypes, ancient universal patterns of being. There's the hero who goes on a quest, the nurturing mother, the wise old sage, the innocent child, and of course, the shadow.
This, Jung said, is why the same stories appear in myths, fairy tales, and blockbuster movies all over the world. They aren't just stories we tell, they are stories that live inside us. Every one of us carries the entire cast. We are all part Hercules, part Cinderella, part Yoda. For Jung, the ultimate goal of life wasn't to be perfect because perfection is impossible. The goal was to be whole. He called this journey individuation, the slow, difficult process of uniting the person you think you are with all the forgotten parts of yourself you've left behind. When you embark on this path, you slowly stop living by other people's rules and expectations. You stop performing for the world. Instead, you begin to live from the quiet, powerful center of your own soul. Jung taught us that the road to true enlightenment often runs directly through our own personal hell, and that the deepest, most profound place you can ever explore is yourself. Who looks outside dreams. Who looks inside awakes.